Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to delete scheduled recordings on YouTube TV. So to do this, to record, or even remove these programs, first you need to actually go to YouTube TV. Now, next to a show, next to a sports team, or even an event that you want to remove, all you do, guys, is you tap on remove. Okay? Just go ahead and tap and remove, and all the current and upcoming airings will actually be removed. Okay? And your recording, the programs that you have recorded, they'll actually be available until they expire. Okay? So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.